Today I'm going to be unboxing the T-Scare hair pressure foot massager. So this is what the foot massager looks like. It does come with a remote control and also the manual to learn how to use it. So when you turn it on, this is the on button, as you can see, and then you have where you can increase the intensity. So this button increases the intensity, whereas this one decreases the intensity. And then this is to change the mode to different modes. You can see it changing right there. And then this is just to increase the time, and this is to decrease the time as much as you want. If you want to use heat on it, so you can press this to use heat on it. The width over here is about 6 inches. You can also remove this to clean it off. There's a zipper. Right now it's massaging the bottom of my face. So this has a 360 rotation bar, so you can rotate it like that. With this I can rest my calf in there. So as you're seeing, it is inflating until it senses the pressure. It's getting tighter, and I love that it's very comfortable. It doesn't immediately just tighten my leg or my calf, and I'm getting a very good massage with this. I love the fact that this is easy to use, and this can be used at home. You can be used to relax your nerves after working all day. I absolutely love this.